Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import and export attributes and variants in Odoo. This is useful if you manage products with different options, like sizes, colors, materials, styles, or any other product variations inside your inventory. We'll start from the Odoo home screen. From here, click on Inventory to open the Inventory Management area. This is where you manage your products, stock, product settings, and the details connected to your inventory operations. Once you're inside Inventory, go up to Configuration, and then click on Settings. This is where Odoo lets you turn important product-related features on or off before you begin working with attributes and variants. These settings are important because some product options are not available until the correct feature is enabled. Now scroll down until you reach the Product section. In this area, look for the Variants option and click the checkbox to enable it. This step is important because product variants must be activated before you can fully work with attributes like size, color, or style. For example, if you sell a t-shirt in small, medium, and large, or in black, white, and blue, those options are handled through attributes and variants. After checking that box, click Save so the changes apply to your system. Saving is important because Odoo will not activate the feature until the setting has been stored properly. Once that setting has been saved, scroll back down to the Products area and click on Attributes. This will take you to the list of product attributes already available in your database. Attributes are the main options used to build variants, such as color, size, length, weight, fabric, model, or packaging type. From here, you can handle both exporting existing attribute data and importing new or updated records. This is especially helpful if you have many products or many attribute values and you don't want to enter everything manually one by one. To export attributes, click on the Actions icon. When the menu appears, choose Export. This lets you download the attribute data, which can be useful if you want to review it in a spreadsheet, back it up, or edit it outside Odoo before bringing it back in later. For example, you may export attributes to check spelling, update naming, or organize values before making changes in bulk. Exporting first is often a smart idea because it gives you a sample of the format Odoo expects. This sample can guide you when preparing your import file, so your columns and field names are easier to match during the upload process. Next, to begin the import process, click on the Actions icon again. This time, choose Import. You'll be taken to the import screen where Odoo allows you to upload your file. This is where you can bring in new attributes or update existing ones using a properly prepared spreadsheet. Click Upload and select the file you want to import. Make sure your file is prepared correctly so the fields can match what Odoo expects during the import. It's a good idea to check your column names, attribute names, and values before uploading, especially if you're working with a larger product catalog. After uploading the file, click Test. This step helps you validate the data before anything is actually added or changed. It's a good habit to always run the test first because it can catch formatting issues, missing values, or field mismatches before the real import happens. This can save you from creating incorrect records or having to clean up mistakes later. If Odoo confirms that everything looks correct, you're ready for the final step. Click Import to complete the process. At this stage, Odoo will use the file you uploaded and apply the attribute data to your system. Odoo will then bring your attribute data into the system using the file you uploaded. Once the import is complete, you can go back and review the attributes to make sure the values were added correctly and everything appears as expected. And that's it. You've now enabled variants, exported attributes, and imported them back into Odoo. If you're working with product options regularly, this process can save a lot of time and help you keep your catalog organized and consistent. It also makes bulk product management much easier, especially for stores with many variations.